In less than 60 seconds, you can make an LED blink just like this. You just need an Arduino, an LED, and a laptop for this. Connect the positive terminal of the LED to pin number 13 on the Arduino and the negative one to the ground. Connect one end of the cable to the Arduino and the other end to your laptop's USB port. Open the Arduino IDE and let's write some code. In the setup function, tell the Arduino which pin is the output using pin mode. In the loop function, write the main blink code using digital write to turn it high and low. Upload the code to the Arduino and voila, your LED is blinking. So easy, right? To explore similar projects, check out our Arduino Basics playlist.